I'm home, amore mio. Really is raining hard today, isn't it? Hold up. Let me just take off my wet clothes. Okay. Just my coat that got wet. What do you want to do now that I'm home? Okay, watch a movie. Well, how was your day? My day was kind of good, actually. I bought my goon some pizza. And, well, oh yeah, we did get what that guy said. It was a lot of money. Almost the amount of it. They're actually really good at their jobs. I just gotta work for a bit, though. Got some work to finish on my computer. After he's finished working. Okay. My work's done now. What would you like to do now? Cuddle? Okay. Oh, how about I make you some food? It's getting close to dinner time. Yeah? Okay. I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Yep. Made you some pasta. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna feed it to you. You need it yourself. You look so cute eating that. Well, it's true. It doesn't look like the rain's stopping anytime soon. I was gonna take you out for a date, but it's too rainy. I guess we can just cuddle now. Come in here. But I just realized you have the window open. That's why you're shivering. Come on, you gotta close the window. And also gotta close the other one. Is that more? Okay, let me close the curtains as well. Just like there. Gonna get you a blanket. Don't mind how messy the room is. You sit right there and put this blanket over you. Is that comfortable? Yeah, I bet it is. Now let's just cuddle for a bit. I was gonna say we can cuddle until the rain stops, but I'll probably fall asleep. The rain is quite soothing, isn't it? Come on. Let me just kiss you. Doing that thing you do when you're happy. It's so adorable. Two hours later. I think the rain's almost stopped now. You still wanna cuddle? Why are you looking at me like that? Stop. Hey, what's that for? You're not allowed to kiss me, only I'm allowed to kiss you. Come here. Come on. There. That's what you get. Let me brush your hair real quick. It looks quite messy. Yeah. Okay, come here. There. That looks a bit better. Oh, I think it's starting to rain more. Oh, yeah. It's raining a bit more again. Oh, what's the time? Oh, it's like 9 o'clock. We should probably head to bed soon. No, you need to sleep. You got like 3 hours of sleep last night. You can't just not be tired. Well, I don't care if you're not tired. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Good night, mi amor.